Okay boys, world's largest truck. Here we are in Sparwood, BC. This is a big truck. If you don't think it's a big truck, you're going to see me walk right under it. Big enough? Okay. Camera's at my head level. We're at the axle level. Ran over here. That thing is about 20 feet wide. That is incredible. Look at there, you, Mom. We'll walk underneath it. Look at, you can't tell how big it is unless look at there's Mom.
Hey, I'm out of the way.
Yeah. That's the gas tank. Look at the suspension. Look at the tie rod. Look at the size of the tread. Oh, here's the back of it. See if we can see up in the box. I'm going up a hill here behind it. Oh man. I gotta find a sign with the stats on this truck. Here it is. "65 feet 11 inches long, 56 feet when the dump's up, and 22 feet 7 inches high at the top there, the front." Incredible. Titan. Hate to see the size of the guy that drives it.